This is a review of the Harbor Freight 3-point Quick Hitch. If you own a compact tractor, this is the best accessory you can buy. Basically, once installed, you just back into your implement, raise the 3-point, and you're ready to go to work. Of course, with my mower, I also had to connect the PTO. This thing is a lifesaver. No more lifting and fighting with the implement. With my coupon, I paid $79. The best $79 I ever spent. The item was packed well, and the install took me about 10 minutes. Okay. Be sure to follow your safety instructions with your compact tractor, as well as the instructions you'll receive with your Quick Hitch.
There you go. There you go. Okay.
You can see how simple it is to attach an implement here. You secure the latch handles once everything's connected. The instructions that came with the Quick Hitch were very simple and easy to follow. First, you'll fasten the Quick Hitch to the tractor's lift arms with a clevis pin on each end. Secure this with the R pins provided. Next, you'll fasten the tractor's top link to the top bracket with the top link pin. And finally, adjust the height of the top hook, and you're ready to go. Post any questions or comments here on YouTube and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, check us out on Blogspot, Facebook, Google+, and Pinterest. And you can email us at badlandswoodenstuff@biggerlers.com. Stop back and see us again soon.